Hi. Okay, so I'm going to show you a little video about how you can look up a book in the library catalog and if you find it, how you can put it on hold all by yourself. My name is Dave Ring and I want to talk to you a little bit about the library homepage and some new features that we have. So here we are at library.pomfretschool.org, and when you land here, right in this first box is where you can search for, among other things, books. Of course, we have our articles and journals and online news, but let's start with the books for now. So say I want to look up a book, and just saw one on the bottom there. So American War is the book I want. If I know the title, I could change the type of search I'm going to do. But for right now, I'll just do keyword because that's probably going to give me a lot of results since those are common words. But as it works out, we have a pretty smart system. So the name of the book is right here. So one thing I want to do is I find the book. If I want some more information about it, I click on that hyperlink. And here's some more information. It gives me some specifics about the book, a little overview of where it is. And then down here is, the holdings in the library. So it's a book. It's in the fiction collection. There's the call number. That's what's written on the spine, so how you would find it. And it notes that the book is available, which means it should be available to check out. And here, if I wanted to, I could click Browse Shelf, and that's kind of a neat feature. It would actually show me the books to the left and to the right of the book on the shelf, so you can actually kind of browse the library shelves without physically doing it. Now, say I want to check this book out. I'm at home or I'm in my dorm room and I want to check this book out and I want to put it on hold. Over here to the right, I can just say place hold, but it wants to know who I am. So here I would log in, and for me and for you, it is your Sundial credentials. So you enter your Sundial credentials. Don't look at my password. And I hit log in. Okay? And then I can say confirm hold. And that will tell you that it is on hold.